Alright, we're back. So this is going to be a video about the fundamental theorem of calculus, and it's closely related to the video that was previously shown. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you watch that video right now. So with the fundamental theorem of calculus, we're going to start with the definite integral of f of x times dx. Now what the fundamental theorem of calculus states is that if you're going to find the definite integral of f of x from a to b, then you need to find the antiderivative of f of x and then subtract off the endpoints as their inputs for the antiderivative. So what does that look like? I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do when you see problems like this, you would find the antiderivative of f of x, so I'm just going to put capital F of x like so, plus c. Okay, but since there's endpoints from a to b here, we are going to put a little line here to represent what inputs we're going to put into this function before we find the difference. So what we're going to do first is we're going to input the b here because it's the furthest endpoint, and you'll end up with capital F of b plus c, like so. Then we're going to subtract off the a is an input to this antiderivative, so you would have capital F of a plus c. Okay? If you subtract these two off, the c's are going to cancel, and you'll end up with capital F of b minus capital F of a. And this is what you would use to calculate this definite integral right here. You would just take the antiderivative at one endpoint minus the antiderivative at the other endpoint, subtract those off, and you have this solved. So that's the fundamental theorem of calculus. If you have any questions about this, let me know.